today I am going to show you how to change this, which is the Mach pocket on the passenger door, at least on the right door of the car. It's the same procedure for both the left hand side and the right hand side of the car on the front doors, and it's also the same procedure for the doors on Volvo 740. I'm going to change this now, so let's get cracking. Here we go. First, getting all of this out. That's done. Moving this. Now I take a flathead and pop it in here. There's not a screw here, but there is a clip. Gently pulling it upwards, being careful not to snap it on the way. Like that, and removing that. And then on the bottom side here, there are 3 clips which you move, and they look like this. They stick up into the door this way, and you just gently take your screwdriver up like this and gently bend it downwards, and it comes out quite easily. And there's 3 of them. There's one here, one here, and then one here. You need to remove this glass for the little light at the back here, and you do that by just press it towards that side of the door and pull it backwards, and it comes off. And then gently lift this upwards and disconnect the cables. Then you have it out like this. Don't know if you can see this very good, but there is a small connector here for the lights out at the back of the door. Disconnect that, and then you have the entire door panel in your hand. Right, on to the most pressing matter in this case, which is changing the map thing. Now we are going to remove the door panel, and to do that you lie it flat on some place where you don't scratch it. In my case it's an old Jaguar chair, and I do know that not all people have a Jaguar chair in their shed or their garage, but I happen to do, so I've laid it flat here. Right, on to the important matters. I'm taking a Torx 25 for this and undo the screws. The old Mach pocket is coming out. Oh, there's some money there. It's old Swedish money. Anyway, this is the old pocket, and as you can see it's in quite bad nick. It's been mended with some duct tape because it's broken. So let's get rid of that. And let's instead get the new one, or newish. It's not factory new. This one I picked up at a car scrap yard for about £5, and it's in perfect condition, no cracks whatsoever. So I'm going to fit it on the door. And to do that, I am doing it the hard way this time, but I'm doing it so you can see better. Usually I turn it the other way around and I fit the new one. But then, of course, you wouldn't see what I'm doing. First of all, I fit the screws slightly into the new holes. That's that done. Rightio, now we've come to the point of remounting this into the car. Okay, resting it on those orange pegs underneath and connecting up that wire again. And after that, I need to connect up the speaker again. Otherwise, I'll have a rather silent car, which I don't want, because I want some sound. Now it's on. All the clips have engaged. Pop these clips back in place. Come on. Snap in place like that. And the bottom part of the door is now on. Then we have this part at the back. Now you take this thing, this red little plastic glass thing. Be sure to have this part on the outer side of the door, because there is a small black clip in here that's supposed to slide into, like that, to lock the door in place. Window switch for the electric windows, if you have that, which I do. Reconnect it. And that's a bit dirty, isn't it? Just going to clean that. Much better. And then get this one back in place, which is snap in place like that. And then press this downwards. And it gets into its place. Then we have this little clip here that you pop into the small hole here and twist it quarter of a revolution around to lock this part in place. And then for the pièce de résistance, this for the speaker, which you just push into place. Oops, I missed one of the clips. There we go. And that's it, all done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. That was all for today, so I'll see you next time. Goodbye.